Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. The state head summons the sessions of both houses of the state legislature and prorogues them. The governor can even dissolve the state legislative assembly. These powers are formal, and the governor's use of these powers must comply with the advice of the Council of Ministers headed by the Chief Minister. The governor inaugurates the state legislature by addressing it after the assembly elections and also at the beginning of the first session every year. The governor's address on these occasions generally outlines new policies of the state government. A bill that the state legislature has passed can become a law only after the governor gives assent. The governor can return a bill to the state legislature if it is not a money bill for reconsideration. However, if the state legislature sends it back to the governor for the second time, the governor must assent to it. The governor has the power to reserve certain bills for the president. When the state legislature is not in session and the governor considers it necessary to have a law, then the governor can promulgate ordinances. These ordinances are submitted to the state legislature at its next session. They remain valid for no more than 6 weeks from the date the state legislature is reconvened unless approved by it earlier. Governor is empowered under Article 192 to disqualify a member of a house of the state legislature when the election commission recommends that the legislator is no longer complying with provision of Article 191. Per Article 165 and 177, the governor can ask the Advocate General to attend the proceedings of both houses of the state legislature and report to him any unlawful functioning of any. Financial powers. The governor cause to be laid before the state legislature the annual financial statement, which is the state budget. Further, no demand for grant shall be made except on his recommendation. They can also make advances out of the contingency fund of the state to meet any unforeseen expenditure. Moreover, he constitutes the Finance Commission of State. The governor can use these powers. When no party gets a clear majority, the governor has discretion to choose a candidate for chief minister who will put together a majority coalition as soon as possible. He can impose president's rule. He submits reports on his own to the president or on the direction of the president regarding the affairs of the state. He can withhold his assent to a bill and send it to the president for his approval. During emergency rule per Article 353, he can override the advice of the Council of Ministers if specifically permitted by the President. The governor has no role or powers in a contingency situation such as President's rule unless specifically permitted by the President under Article 160, 356 and 357. The governor is not permitted to take any decision on his own without state cabinet advice when an elected government is in charge under the provisions of Part 6 of the Constitution. In addition to the monthly salary, the governor is entitled to rent free official residence, free household facilities, and convenience. The governor and his family are provided with free medical attendance, accommodation, and treatment for life. Stop. Thank you.